Hi, let's talk. It's been a while. I thought let us just see what comes out. It's Sunday. Wait. It's Sunday. It is sunny. It is cold. It is sunny. It is Sunday in Antwerp and well, everywhere in the world. But I just finished a strong class. It was an early class. After a while I've gone. Sometimes, you know, that initial, you know, enthusiasm, the newness, everything wears off, and you still have to continue, you know. I mean, anything in life, the newness once goes away, that enthusiasm also wears off. And it's just like you know, another day, another class, and you just going like often. And I've done a lot of videos like cardiac talks only after the workout that no, I didn't feel like it, or it was not a good workout or whatever, and I just went anyways. So today is like, you know, after a week of being ill and then recuperating and all, I was just starting gym again, so to speak. And I wonder sometimes that you know, just a couple of weeks of break and you've already lost that momentum, or you already like how do I say this? It's like whatever you had built up is like, you know, you've kind of regressed in a way. Instead of progressing, whatever progress you made, it's like a little pull down again. Like and fair enough, I mean, if you've been tired or if you were ill, you cannot expect to just jump up, you know, to what was. But that is what is also challenging. I feel it is challenging because you worked so hard to build up that certain standard, certain momentum. And this is something I've talked about it in my new course, online course that I've created, Fitness Foundations, because a lot of people don't talk about all this, you know. From my 2.5, I mean, even though I've been working out almost 25 years, almost all my life, but this past 2.5 years of intense workout that I've never done in my entire life, new things, new ways of exercising, a lot of new things that if you've been walking with me or following me on my Instagram or something, you can gauge from my workout videos, you know, that I realized that it was time to talk about it openly, that either I don't know, people don't talk about it, or if they do, I'm not so aware of it. But nonetheless, I wanted to express my experience and how I deal with it, and I'm sure a lot of people can relate with it too, because if you are just one of those people like me, like most of us are not athletes, we are just going to gym to stay fit, and it's a part of our life, and we enroll or we are members of one particular gym in the neighborhood, and we go regularly, and there are times we go, we don't go. I mean, that's life, you know. It's not hard and fast, that nobody's as diligent and disciplined as such. But fortunately for me, I have maintained that kind of activity levels in my life. But I realized it comes a point in time when everything becomes so boring, because it's a thin line, and fairly so. It becomes boring because you're doing the same thing again and again, and for years to come, for a long period of time. And what happens is that what you don't want is you want progress, you know. Let's face it, if we want progress, we want to have improved, we want that toned body or whatever, and all that is still happening only. You are maintaining. I know I've been maintaining. I've been pretty good at maintaining my body weight and my stamina and all that. But the thing is, there comes a point where you really want to break free of the glass ceiling, and you are going up and down because you so want to break free of that and reach another level of newness, which is a new normal, I would say. Like it's like a baseline. I've leveled up, and that leveling up is my new baseline, you know. Are you understanding me? And until we reach that, it's like I know, for me, I can speak that I'm not so happy, because I feel like I'm in the same doing the same things and I'm not growing despite all the efforts that I've been putting in. And even if I've progressed, I've now stuck to a certain thing that now I feel like now if I don't make it my new normal, like there's this quote when I had started, there was a quote and I really love it, like a day will come when what I'm struggling with, something on those lines, what I'm struggling with today will one day become my warm-up. That exercise, what I'm struggling with today will soon become my warm-up. And fairly so. I mean, clearly I've improved, I've excelled myself. Not that I'm boasting, but I do measure my progress because it motivates me, it propels me. But now I've reached a point where a couple of weeks of break and I've fallen down, kind of, so to speak, from my baseline. And I want to like get back. It should be like normal, and it should be, how do I say, it should be, now it should be normal. It should be that should be my baseline already. And when I go below that baseline, and I talk about it in my Fitness Foundations course, that there is a certain maintaining and sustaining. That's one of the days of the topic is you want to maintain, you want to sustain, you are consistent, but after a point you want to level up. You know, you want to keep on leveling up in the sense you want to maintain, then you want to level up, raise the bar, then you want to maintain that. Are you understanding me? And if you don't keep on doing that, you are going to be so bored that you are soon going to, your mind is going to, you are going to find other things in life that interest you, that intrigue you, that that is more worth your while. Because anything and everything in life, if it is not worth our while, we are not going to waste our time. So this exercise, this regular exercising, if it is not worth our while, why will we do it? After a while, we've maintained that weight, and it's not like if we have no extraordinary goals of running a marathon or something, why are we even going to do it? If you're not earning money out of it, then after a while, what are you getting out of it? It's what's the point? How much do you want to show off to the world that you can lift 100 kilos? Just to give you an example. So if you don't want to do all that, you're not going to, it's not going to be fueling you as to why you want to do it, you know. And this is also, I talk about it. It's like, what's your why in life? Beyond a point, you need to keep on revising your why. You need to keep on revisiting your why, that why you want to do it, because otherwise you're not going to be propelled, you're not going to be progressing, and soon you will find that let me move on to something else in life, you know. And I have a feeling that if I now have reached a point that all this is enough, 3-4 times a week I will do, and this is more than enough. But if you really want to do something, excel and build something with your body, like see what more your body can do, I feel it is time to accept that challenge of leveling up, and otherwise we are not going to be continuing for sure, you know. So let's see what I do, and check out my Fitness Foundations program if you're starting off, if you've reached that boredom level yourself, or if you're finding hard to stay consistent. I mostly talk about gym, but it can be any activity for you guys, you know, wherever you are in the world. So check it out, yes, and have a good day. Let's continue our fitness journey and break through or break free of all that what pulls us, you know, back. Yeah, bye.